February 3rd, 2026. My property in Southcentral VA. Cutting from about there down to there, and then I gotta come towards me and then go away from me.